Alright, hey everyone, just a very quick video. Some new change here to VS Code that we want to reconfigure if you're running into this. So if VS Code has recently updated and you try and select some lines and then do shift return, what you'll see is that there's this new Python-REPL thing appearing. This is with the new change of, I believe, starting with one of the later versions of Python or with just a change to VS Code. We don't want to do it this way. For us, it's going to be easier if we keep on pushing the code into the terminal, because this Python-REPL doesn't always include the sort of virtual environment that we might be wanting to create here. So how do we fix this? So if we do Shift Command P, and what we want to then go to is our shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. So if we go to Preferences, open Keyboard Shortcuts, hit this, and I'm recording the keys right now. So once you go in here, you'll see something that looks like this, a bunch of shortcuts. Top right hand side, you'll want to hit the record keys, and then what we will do inside of this is then do the shortcut key that we would usually use to run Python or to run a snippet of Python code. So we'd hit Shift Return, and then it puts in double quotes Shift plus Enter. And this is the part here where we see that there is some conflicting stuff where we don't want to start Python and REPL. We want to run the selection or the line in the Python terminal. So all we need to do is highlight over this, right click, and then we will say remove binding. So now all we have is the run selection Python in terminal. So great. So now if we exit out of this and let's just restart this, and it should save. So now if we were to highlight over this and then do Shift Return, it now properly loads up using the sort of Python terminal down in the bottom with the appropriate virtual environment loaded. This is the same on both a Mac and a PC. Again, we do Shift Command P, go to the Preferences, open Shortcuts, and find where it has the Python-REPL associated with the Shift Return, and then just right click and delete the key binding. And that's it.